Mold-free tips for Florida homeowners. Florida's warm, humid climate creates the perfect conditions for mold, which can pose serious health risks and cause structural damage. Fortunately, home inspectors are trained to spot early warning signs of indications of mold, including visible mold, black, green, or gray patches on walls and ceilings. Musty odor, a persistent, earthy smell that may signal hidden mold. Water stains, discolored areas caused by leaks inside walls or ceilings. Peeling paint, cracked or bubbling paint from excess moisture. Preventing mold requires proactive measures. Control humidity. Use dehumidifiers and maintain proper airflow. Fix leaks. Address plumbing, roof, or window leaks immediately. Ensure ventilation. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms, kitchens, and attics. Use mold-resistant materials. Opt for mold-resistant drywall, insulation, and paints. Regular inspections can help detect indications of mold early and ensure your home remains safe and healthy in Florida's challenging climate. Schedule your professional home inspection today.